utilized cities native delicacies, which comes from a Spanish word empanar, means to cover in pastry. Now, let me show you my own version of empanada. Let's start with the preparation of the ingredients, starting from peeling. And of course, shopping of good quality ingredients, which is one of the secrets in preparing good quality products. Next step is to prepare our chicken, which is the main ingredient for the filling of our empanada. Shred the cooked chicken and prepare to saute. Heat the pan and add oil. Then saute your onion. Add garlic. Saute until translucent. Next is to add your shredded chicken. Then add carrots and potatoes. Then add a small amount of oil if necessary. Mix well and add your chicken broth. Then simmer until the potatoes and carrots become soft but not mushy. Then add salt and pepper to taste. And lastly, to make the empanada more creamier, add the all-purpose cream, then mix well. And now, your chicken filling for your empanada is ready. Let's now proceed to the preparation of the crust. We have here the flour, shortenings, cold water, and of course, the salt. Let's now combine all the ingredients except the cold water. For us to achieve a flaky texture of our crust, use your fingers to knead gently the dough, then add gradually the cold water. Portion the dough by forming small balls of dough. Then flatten the dough using a rolling pin on a flat, dry surface. Place the flattened dough on the empanada molder and add your chicken filling to mold a half-moon shape. Prepare your heated pan with a generous amount of oil for deep frying. Then deep fry your empanada until golden brown. Here is the finished product of our empanada with a flaky and creamy filling.